Okay, next up on the chopping block, we got a turtle. That sounds awful, but okay, let's move on. Now, so like I've told you guys before, I start everything off with shapes, all right? So with the turtle, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the top of the head here, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and say, hey, here's the neck, all right? Here is the back of his turtle shell, okay? Again, top of the head up here, neck, turtle shell. You can hear my daughter in the background going nuts. And then here I'm going to go ahead and put in a triangle or a teardrop. Same thing on the back side. I'm going to make a little smaller one right here. And then also, the next thing I could probably put in, I'm not sure if they have a tail or not, but we're just going to go ahead and go with no tail for right now. Next thing, using these shapes, I can form my turtle out of this. Now, we know that a turtle up here, though, they have something called what? A beak. They use a beak to crush, clams and any kind of crustaceans and break things. That way, that's how they like to eat. So, pretty cool. And then here, you can go ahead and put in the bottom of his neck. And here, round this piece off, and then up. And I like to make big googly eyes on these guys because it's just kind of fun. And there is the top of him. And if you want to, you can put in some little marks and scales, or those little pieces of hard shell that lies on his body. And next, here, I know that he would probably have some kind of protection piece right here going around his neck. Okay, I would do the same thing around his arms, and then next I can go ahead and go up and down and then back around here, and then I can go ahead and put in his little flippers right here, there, put another little piece of guard right there, flipper right there, stop, and let's clean up a little bit so that way he can start to look like the cartoon we're looking for. Not bad, not bad. And then, now we also know that he doesn't have just two little fins. He should have what? Two more, right? Now, we don't want him spinning around in circles, swimming around looking for nothing. And then next thing up here, what's kind of a cool effect is you just go ahead and you can just play off this one and just make sure that you're going around in a circle when you make these little lines like this. And then make his turtle shell, give him this little nice rectangle pieces. And then what you can do even in here, you could even make little lines that go around and make it a little more lifelike. And notice how I'm kind of following around the shape of this guy. And then I can even put in some more, armor or the shells or stuff like that. Pretty cool. All right. So give it a try. See what you got. That's your turtle.